Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
I'm Siyeza Nqcobo. I'm the CEO of Khula Websites Design. Khula Websites Design is a website and software development agency. The business was established in 2017. The reason why we established this business was to provide small businesses with affordable and scalable websites and software development services. Whether you need an e-commerce website to sell your items or your digital or physical products online, we help you. Whether you need an advanced software, maybe a database software, a business directory, we help you. Whether you need a basic 4-page website, we help you. So we are a full development company based in Johannesburg, Sandton. You can find us on Khula websitesdesign.co.za, on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, Khula Web Design. Hi, I'm Siyeza, and I'm a township entrepreneur.